Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show how to add music on WhatsApp status. Okay, let's start and follow my all steps. First of all, go to WhatsApp and then click on add status. Now select on photos, add music. Select this. Now click on music icon. Now you can see all musics here. Popular, mood. Also this music. Now you can select all music. Click on this. Now click on done. Now you can see add music on WhatsApp status. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.